and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FX boss. Just joking, everybody. Everybody, give me a second. I need to take something. Alright, sorry about that, everybody. Hello Ernesto, how are you? Hello Broto, how are you? Hello Dimitar, how are you? Yeah, everybody, I'm sorry, but we are full for the... I'm sorry, Dimitar, and everybody else. Slides, where is the slide, everybody? Time, this one. I'm sorry, everybody, we are full. Okay, we can have maximum 20 people for the workshop. Okay, sorry about that, everybody, we are full for this time, but we're going to have more workshops in the future, alright? Okay, everybody. Boss, why just 20? Because we need to talk to each and every one. Make sense, everybody? 20 is the maximum capacity because I need to be able to talk to everyone. Make sense? If it's too many people, what's the correct English? You know, then it's impossible. Okay? Don't worry, everybody, we're going to have more workshops in the future. That being said, never forget, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. Never forget you are going to graduate from this course. Number one, where you have your chart set up and ready for trading, professional trader course, Forex Trading Week Part 5. Today is the last day, everybody. Now, what we're going to do today, we're going to, as usual, we're going to trade, demo trade. Risk disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. In the Forex Trading Week, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far. Okay, so far, everybody, your charts, and this is the homework. If you do not have it yet, you should have your monthly chart, whatever the sequence. You should have your weekly chart, whatever the sequence. Boss, what's the sequence? So I have the monthly chart left up corner, I have the weekly chart down left corner, I have the daily chart right up corner, and I have the 4-hour chart down right down corner. Okay, but you can have different, I mean, you can mix them. Make sense? Okay, everybody, I cannot accept you in the advanced institutional trader course. Okay, not free, start saving money. Okay, if you don't have your chart set up and ready for trading. Now, here is the good news. You know, there is no right or wrong, but you must be able to understand the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and then the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 50-minute chart, whatever. And Dimitar, is there going to be another one soon? Well, we are trying to do 2 per month. Okay, So what is today? 22. I believe in March is going to be the next one. Okay, Dimitar. Sorry everybody. Yeah, I'm sorry. 20 it's maximum. Okay. Don't worry. And here is AUD USD. Boss, can I pay for the seminar before? Now we are talking. Sure. You know. Yes, you can. But everybody, I cannot tell you already the date. Make sense? Okay, I don't know yet, but we're going to have two more in March. One is going to be the basket trader course, how to make 3%, 5%, 10% from a basket of currency. This is for the advanced traders, not for beginners. And then how to build your strategy is going to be also in March. Alright, but I don't know what date, okay? So if you pay before to secure the spot, don't yell at me. You know, oh, I cannot 20, whatever might be the date, makes sense? But generally are on Saturdays. Okay, they are not during the week because a lot of people work during the week. Sunday, it's Sunday, you know, you want to be free, so most of them are on Saturdays. Alright everybody, so homework from the course: have your chart saved, monthly, weekly, daily, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 15 minutes, whatever. Number 2, have on your chart the patterns that you are trading. Okay, have on the chart the patterns that you are trading. Have on the chart tools that you are using to determine direction. Okay, so me, like the FX boss, FXFreedom, you know, I'm going to have high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, and then I'm going to go extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. On AUD USD on the monthly chart, just not mandatory, just an example. Okay, boss, why do you have the market wave? There is no right or wrong. If you are going to use the market wave to determine direction, or if you are going to use the market wave to trade it, then you must put it on the chart. Make sense? Boss, should we have the monthly, weekly, daily? Yes. Everybody listen to me, don't do this. Don't do this. You are going to go, don't do this. Make sense, everybody? Don't have the monthly chart, just one, and then you are going to chart things on the chart, and then you go on the weekly chart, and then you're going to chart new things on the chart, and then you're going to change to the daily chart, and you are going to chart new things on the daily chart. So you are changing the same chart. Don't do this, I'm telling you, please don't do this. Okay, be a nice student and clone, not clown, clone. Yeah, my English. All right. Okay, have the 4 different charts, have the monthly chart, and draw the things that you like on the monthly chart. Yes, before we go to trading, have the every single time frame has its own market wave and short-term trend. Don't put everything on the same chart. This is the logic behind. Monthly chart is going to have the monthly wave, then have a weekly chart with the weekly wave, then have a daily chart with the daily wave, and finally have the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 15 minute chart with the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour market wave. And the same goes for trend lines, and the same goes for the short-term trend. Okay, everybody type in the chat clear or type in the chat not clear. Are we clear what we're talking about? Let's make a poll. Type in the chat, how many of you online have the 4 charts? Type in the chat, me 4 charts, or type in the chat, not me, I don't have the 4 charts. Let's make a poll, everybody. Dimitar says clear, thank you very much. Hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Ernesto, what about you? Can we use line chart? No. No, 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 no. No exotic, new age, everybody. No, you cannot use line charts. At least not as a beginner trader. Okay, the answer is no. For the beginner trader, no, you cannot. It must be candles, candlestick formations. 4 charts on my screen, congratulations, very good. Congratulations, hedge fund trader Dimitar. Ernesto, I'm using free version of TradingView. I open 4 screens and work around. Okay. Whatever, right? JForex is for free platform, TradingView. You have a free account, everybody, whatever works. Just have 4 charts on the screen, like I have right now. Then you're going to open one or another. Okay, everybody, any questions so far? Boss, yes, okay, give me a second, everybody. Boss, would you be so kind and tell us again? Give me a sec, okay? Have, so this is the homework. Have on the 4 charts, okay, 4 charts. Number 1, monthly bands. Number 2, market wave. Number 3, short term trend. And number 4, trend lines slash counter trend lines. Okay, take a screenshot, make a photo, everybody, picture with the cell phone, whatever, type in the chat, done. Typo, thank you very much. Typo boss, thank you very much. Have on the 4 charts, monthly bands, market waves, shortened trend lines, counter trend lines. Wisdom, how can I get Forex free platform cert? JForex. You go on Dukascopy webinar page, exit full screen, give me a second. Wisdom, you write Dukascopy Bank in Google. Dukascopy Bank, dukascopy.com, everybody. Expert option, this is propaganda. Dukascopy Bank. Wisdom, you click here. Now this is in Portuguese because I'm in Brazil, but you are going to click on English. Okay, and then you go Forex trading and you go where? You go trading platforms. See down here? Wisdom, can you see trading platforms? You go to dukascopy.com English, and then you go Forex trading here on the left, and down here you need to scroll the mouse. You have trading platforms. You click on JForex, Wisdom, where excellence. Okay, see here, and it's automatically, you know, you have JForex 3, but down here you have JForex 4. Okay. Experience no limits while trading on the... Okay, Wisdom? Yes, dukascopy.com. Whoops, not this one. Whoops, no, I'm almost changing somebody's trade. And so this is the homework, everybody. Have on the 4 charts monthly bands, market wave, short-term trend, trend lines, counter trend lines, whatever you like and makes sense to you. Okay, yes, have the market wave also on the 4-hour chart. Okay, it's going to be far, far, far away, but why should we have the market wave on the 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour chart? Because it's going to be one day that the market is going to be near one or the other, and if you are not aware that the market is near the upper band or the lower band, you are going to give back portion of the profits into the market. Make sense, everybody? If you don't have the monthly bands on the monthly, weekly, daily and the 4-hour chart, no, yeah, fair enough, no, the 15-minute not, okay? If you're on the 15-minute chart, you don't need the, it's too big, monthly bands. But on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1 hour maybe not 2, but if you have the 4-hour chart or the 2-hour chart, please have the monthly bands. Okay, Dimitar, can you tell us the exact rules of drawing the market wave? Thanks. Ernesto, okay, we'll try it. Okay, thanks. We've learned this already, everybody. Okay, just quickly, Dimitar, we've learned this. You have a recording on Duca's copy. Okay, what are the rules? You start from the monthly bands. Okay, and on the monthly you are going to connect high to low, low to high, high to low. Okay, but then from the weekly, and why from the monthly? You're not going to see the short-term trend, but from the weekly, from the weekly and the daily and the 4-hour chart, whatever. So we start from the monthly bands, all right, and then you are looking for the change in the short-term trend. You start with the down extension. Market make lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. When you see an uptrend, market making higher highs, higher lows is going to be the retracement. And when you see the market changing direction, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs with the new lower low, then this is what you're going to connect. This is the market wave. High to low, low to high, high to low. And the market wave relevant highs and lows are, Dimitar, the borderlines between the uptrend and the downtrend. Those are the borderlines between extensions and retracements. Okay, this is the short version of the rules. Yes, black and white rules, hopefully not subject to interpretation. The mistake I made last year was that, sir. Wisdom, what mistake are we talking about? Everybody type in the chat. Do you have any other questions about the market wave? Okay, thanks. Everybody connect with each other we've done this a few times. One more time, everybody, if you would be so kind, type in the chat where you are from. Okay? The best way is to connect with somebody else from the same country or a similar country because of the time zone. You know, you cannot connect, I mean, it's difficult to connect, example, Australia to Brazil or USA. Why? Because when Australia is sleeping, you know, we are awake. But some countries are in a similar time zone. Okay, so tell me, where are you from? Look at the chat, everybody. Maybe you're going to find a trader from the same country as you are. Connect with you, between you, everybody, connect between you and study the charts together. It's a great practice. And if you have any questions, like the 2 of you, 3 of you, 4 of you, you know, you have doubts, send me an email. educationfxfreedom@gmail.com. Okay? And I'm not sure if hedge fund trader Jordan, are you here? If you want to see how the advanced course works, you go on the YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX, and find the recording of called a glimpse into the FX 202. Okay? Yes, everybody, connect between you. Why not, right? Don't study alone. Okay? Wisdom, inability to draw out my border lines from the monthly, sir. I have a simple question. Monthly chart, it is incorrect to place the monthly band at 0 point. Everybody, monthly bands are not lines to the pip. Alright? Those are areas. Okay, Ernesto? When we are going to, great question by the way, when we are going to learn support, resistance, pivot points, don't bother, those are not to the pip. Okay? Oh boss, it's correct, 0.181100, it doesn't matter a few pips up or down, those are areas. Okay, Ernesto? AUD-USD pair, AUD-USD pair, Ernest from Venezuela. If somebody is from the same time zone, to know when the lower time frame has gotten to the monthly resistance of support in the future lessons. Wisdom, Nigeria, very good. Broto, yes, my good friend Broto from Indonesia, right? Indonesia. Where is Jordanka from? I don't know. Oh, hello, it's here. Jordanka is from Bulgaria. No, you don't need to be from the same country, just the same time zone. Okay, you go on Google and you write whatever, you know, Venezuela to Bulgaria, time difference, and Google is going to tell you how many hours you are up front or behind. Okay, everybody? Yes, you have a recording. Now let's talk about trading. What are we going to do today, everybody? Type in the chat, long, short, sideways. This is so far from yesterday. We went long on GBP JPY and we went short on AUD-USD. AUD-USD is in profit, GBP JPY in a loss so far, floating loss, not a big deal. Yes, everybody. Dimitar, I'm from Bulgaria too. We make on. Wow, excellent. Excellent, excellent. Everybody, if you have no problems with privacy, you can type your email here in the chat. Otherwise, I'm not sure how you are going to connect. Alright? Maybe through me, send me an email, like I'm going to forward you, whatever. Ernesto, I'm clear, but the monthly band is 4 high, so I would use a monthly band at 0 point whatever. Is it correct or wrong? There is no... It's not wrong. Make sense, everybody? Alright, Ernesto, give me a second. Okay, I'm going to delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Rules for how to chart the market wave. Delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Okay. 0.80. Are we talking about AUD NZD? 0.8. Ernesto, I'm not seeing 0.8. I'm not seeing 0.8 on AUD NZD, AUD USD, and I'm not seeing 0.8 on AUD USD. What currency pair are we talking about, Ernesto? What currency pair are we talking about? One more time, I'm going to use NZD CAD, everybody. NZD CAD as an example. Seen here, everybody? This is NZD CAD, right? Okay, now I have my monthly band on 0.95645, right? Now remember, this is not a line, it's an area. Okay, support, resistance, pivot points are not lines to the pip, those are areas. So if I have my monthly band in here, or I have my monthly band, let's clone a few of them, clone. I have like this, or I have like up in here, or I have like down in here. Now remember, this is I chose to have it like, you know, all of those lines are correct. There is no best. Make sense, everybody? Why? Because we know it's an area. So what does this mean to a trader? This means that if I have my monthly band like here, I know that the next, listen to me, Ernesto, I know that next time when the market comes back, I know that it can break out up to this level. It's an area. But I also know that the market can hit this level and reverse and start to fall down. Make sense? So support, resistance, pivot points on the monthly chart are not lines to the pip. Oh, it's 0.85 whatever. Those are areas. Okay. AUD/USD, I'm sorry, but I don't see 0.8. As the monthly band, I'm seeing 1.0 something, and as the lower band, I'm seeing 0.49. Okay? If you would draw something like 0.805 something, you know, then this is what we call the pivot point for the future lessons. Everybody, make sense? Future lessons. Alright, time is running out. We have 20 more minutes. What pair do you want to trade? You know the practice, everybody. Type in the chat the currency pair, the time frame, stop loss, take profit, and pattern. And remember, you have the homework, have your chart saved. You must have, it's a must. Boss, can I have 3 charts? No. You need to have 4 charts. For charting in the correct way, beginner traders, don't compare yourself to the advanced traders. You are not there yet. Fair enough. Don't compare yourself. Okay, everybody? Don't compare. You need to go step by step. Alright? Alright. Need to go step by step. Okay. What currency pair? Euro dollar, AUD USD, GBP JPY, NZD CAD. What is today? Today it's Wednesday. Okay, we are going to see each other tomorrow too. Everybody, you can choose between AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, AUD USD, which is on the chart right now. Canada CHF, Canada JPY, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro New Zealand, Euro Dollar, GBP AUD, GBP CAD, GBP CHF, GBP JPY, GBP NZD, GBP USD, NZD CAD, NZD CHF, NZD JPY, NZD USD, USD CAD, USD CAD, right? We didn't talk about USD CAD a lot. Okay, everybody, how are you going to take advantage? Today, USD CAD, it's on the list. So this is how your charts are going to look like in the future when we learn about support, resistance, pivot points, Fibonacci's. And I don't have it, right? I don't have it. Fibonacci's and support, resistance, I don't have it. Boss, you didn't do your homework. I didn't do the homework. I didn't do the whole homework, everybody. I'm missing my chart too, right? Alright, so out. Boss, what is your favorite charting platform? Well, in all honesty, everybody, is FOREX 4. Even though it's not perfect, there are a few things missing. USD CAD, everybody, USD CAD daily chart. Just an example. Everybody, how are you going to make money and pips? How are you going to take advantage on USD CAD? Type in the chat, long, short, what pattern are you buying, what pattern are you selling, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit? Isn't TradingView better? Well, TradingView has, but I believe JForex has alarm too, right? Can I put an alarm on a trend line? Give me a second, everybody. Can I put an alarm on a trend line? For the high show group restore. So I cannot, once the programmers of JForex are going to build alarms on trend lines, then it's going to be 100%. You can put alarms on indicators, but not trend lines yet, right? And I'm missing the erase all indicators and erase all drawings button. It's so annoying, right? I'm not complaining, you know, I'm just telling you, not complaining. Okay, everybody, let's make a poll. USD CAD daily chart. Who in here wants to buy? Who in here wants to sell? Boss, can I choose another currency pair? You can choose another currency pair. Just type in the chat the currency pair, the time frame, the pattern that you are buying or selling, and where is the stop loss, and where is the take profit. Everybody, make sense? There is no right or wrong. There is a lot of going on right now, everybody. Yes, demo first. There is a lot of going on, right? Hedge fund trader Allah, are you here? Hedge fund trader Allah? Hedge fund trader Allah, are you here? One, 4, 6, everybody. Hedge fund trader Allah, are you here? Give me a second. Buy USD CAD, says Clara. Okay, what pattern? Okay, I'm going to enter in the market right now, Clara and everybody else. USD CAD, buy the market, submit order, there you go. You are in. Now, if you would be some kind, what pattern did you buy? Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? I'm buying highs and lows, so short on trend. Short on trend, short on trend, Clara in the short on trend. Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Okay, everybody. Clara, where is the stop loss going to be? Where is the take profit going to be? We've learned, right? Forex Trading Week Part 5, we learned that trend lines. We've learned about trend lines. So we're going to implement the knowledge into the live market. Trend line. See how this works, everybody? Wow, right? This is a nice example how the market reversed exactly at the short-term uptrend line. Everybody, do we agree? Do we agree that you don't have the crystal ball? You didn't have the crystal ball, but you are charting trend lines in the correct way, right? You are charting trend lines in the correct way. Now this is knowledge, you know, and you had back in time the aggressive one too. You are charting the trend lines in the correct way, and now you don't have the crystal ball, but we saw a reaction, you know, in here, but we were scared because the market was making lower lows, lower highs. But then the market retested the uptrend line. This is the pattern called double bottoms, and now we had more confidence, and then we went long. Now pat yourself on the back. This is education. This is not luck, everybody. This is education with the probabilistic thinking. And so number one, 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. The market hit the uptrend line, was 1. The market made a higher high just for a few pips. The market made a higher high. This was an indication. And then when the market went back down with the higher low, we had a 75% confirmed uptrend. We've learned all of this. We had double bottoms, right? And on the smaller time frame, 4-hour chart, whatever, you could have entered with a counter trend line break, and you would be in a profit. Everybody, can you do this so far? Can you think like this? Probabilistic thinking, 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. I'm trading on the 4-hour chart. I'm trading on the 4-hour chart, and I've learned from some strange guy from Brazil that the higher time frame controls price actions and movement from the smaller time frame, right? And on the 4-hour chart, when I don't have the crystal ball, but on the 4-hour chart, when the market did, here was the market, delete, delete, delete. Here was the market on the 4-hour chart, You know, this was this in here, this can, maybe not the first one, but the second one, this was my entry, right? This was my entry, and stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Okay, oh, nothing here. Everybody give me a second. USD CAD, add the stop loss. USD CAD stop loss is going to be at 1 point, Clara said 1.3437, and the take profit is going to be 1.3970. Submit orders. Let us check how is this. Let us check daily chart. Okay, very good. Stop loss in the correct place. Congratulations, Clara, good job, good job. Take profit, great, take profit too. Wizen says, yes boss. Julius, I will like to sell USD CAD, but I can see 75% market wave, and for me that means wait for the down market wave to complete 100% and buy to the upside, and I will go short after a counter trendline break. Okay, everybody on the daily chart, right? The daily chart. Dimitar was asking, what are the rules of the market wave? We are looking for change in the short-term trend, right? So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, lower low, lower high. Now this is the retracement, extension retracement. Okay. Now Dimitar, when this happens, you have here the next extension and the next retracement, right? And something like this happens on the daily, then we are going to readjust the market wave. This is the extension, this is the retracement, this is the next extension because it's a higher high when charting. Okay, higher high. We have deep retracements, everybody. Retracement also almost broke the market wave low. Retracement, extension, retracement, extension, right? So far, and then we have retracement, and then we have this huge extension up to here, and then we have the retracement until here. So the market wave, Julius, on the daily chart, USD CAD is up, not down. Okay, everybody, the market wave on USD CAD daily chart, it's not down, it's up. Anybody else? We have a few more minutes before we finish for today. Anybody else want to take a chance on USD CAD? Okay, let's make a poll, everybody. What do you think on Clara's trade? Is this a high probability trade, low probability trade, okay trade, good trade, bad trade? Trade what you see, right? Trade what you see. Okay. Type in the chat. There is no right or wrong. Type in the chat. What do you think? Congratulations to you, Clara. Good job. You are entering with the concept trade what you see. The market's making higher highs, higher lows. So you've entered with the trend. This is going to increase your probability. The market's making higher highs, higher lows. Above the uptrend line. Still in the market wave. And it's going to take some time, everybody. Spatial intelligence, you know, just maybe this market could be locked also in consolidation. Okay, Clara? What does this mean to a trader? If you see the market not on the daily, if you see the market on the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour chart, 4-hour time frame, if you see the 4-hour time frame coming up to the daily highs from consolidation, and you see the 4-hour chart start making lower lows, lower highs, if I were you, I would pocket the profits, because just maybe, you know, the market is locked in consolidation. I don't know, I don't have the crystal ball, just maybe. And if I'm wrong on consolidation, I'm going to counter trend line and I'm going to re-enter again if the market gets out of consolidation. Everybody, can you do this? Can you think like this? No, spatial intelligence takes some time. The more you practice. Desert Island looks okay, would enter 2 positions with a second, take profit at the resistance area. Very good, excellent. Is anybody here who want to short USD CAD? Shorting USD CAD? Anybody? Remember, there is no right or wrong, it's all about the patterns. Wisdom says, yes boss! Next year, 2024, I'm going to change my nickname from FX Passion to FX Freedom to the FX Boss. Hopefully, hopefully more people is going to listen to me. Hopefully. Okay, everybody, if there are no questions and no other currency pairs to trade for today, remember the homework. Exit full. Yeah, I changed it, right? Monthly chart. Text, I don't have it anymore. Everybody, homework. Have your 4 charts. Have your 4 charts on the screen. Have the monthly, the weekly, whatever sequence, monthly, weekly, daily, and the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 50-minute chart. Have 4 charts. Don't chart from one chart and then you're going to change the same chart. It's going to be a mess. Okay? High or low probability is the trade. I'm the last one who is going to tell my opinion. What do you think? Did Clara enter a high probability trade or a low probability trade going long on USD CAD daily chart? The probability, it's made from direction and it's made from the probability of the trade or the market hitting your take profit or stop loss. Okay, everybody? Alright, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money. Freedom is the battle cry. Boss, but I trade for money. It's a psychological quote. In the advanced course, you are going to understand. Julius knows. Julius knows. Julius knows that until he's trading for money, he's going nowhere. Everybody, you are not going to understand this in the Forex course 101. It's going to be clear in the Forex course 202. I'm telling you, don't trade for money. It's counterintuitive. It doesn't make no sense to me. I'm telling you, don't trade for money. Until tomorrow. Yes, everybody, until tomorrow, stay strong. See you back tomorrow.